हरिः ओम् नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषा प्रवेश प्रथमभागस्य षट्षष्टितमकक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। अस्तु, गतकक्ष्यायाः पुनस्मरणं। वयं केषाञ्चन अव्ययानां वयम् अध्ययनं कृतवन्तः। तत्र यद्यपि तथापि आङ्ग्लभाषया even though and still, so यद्यपि वृष्टिः भवति तथापि बहिः गच्छति सः. So that's an example. And tatheva yadi and tarhi, it's like if and then. It means yadi vrishtihi bhavati tarhi chatram nayami. That's one example. And similarly the other one, yavat and tavat. So this is generally used to compare the quantity of two objects or characteristics. So example, nadyam yavat jalam asti tavat sarovare nasti. So these are the few examples we have seen. And for first two we have already seen the book exercise also, and for the later one I think we are going to see the book exercises today. So just few examples just for the recap here. Nadyam yavat jalam asti tavat sarovare nasti, and Ramaha yavat karyam karoti tavat karyam somaha na karoti. So how much ever work Rama does, that much Soma does not do. And Bhimasya yavat dairyam asti tavat anyasya nasti. How much ever that Bhima has courage, and that much others do not have. And Rameshaha yavat kridati tavat Maheshaha na kridati. So how much ever the Ramesha plays, that much Mahesha does not play. So these are the few examples we have seen. And so let us start with the book exercises now. As usual, we will read them, one or two sentences, and we will give the meanings as well. I think there are few things already there. Let me read them. Nadyam yavat jalam asti tavat sarovare nasti. We have already covered. And Karnatakam yavat vishalam Keralam tavat vishalam nasti. So the Karnataka Rajyam, how much the big, right? So that much the Kerala Rajyam is not there. And similarly, Yesha yavat karyam karoti tavat anya na karoti. So this lady or this girl, how much the work she does, that much the other one does not do. And Bhimasya yavat dhairyam asti tavat anyesham nasti. We have seen that. And Mama Bhagini yavat pathati tavat aham na patami. How much my sister studies, that much I don't study. So that's these are the few examples in our book. And let's go to the abhyasa. So riktani sthanani yavat tavat iti shabdabhyam purayantu. So Mitra Sureshaha Kidrishaha. So saha dash vadati and dash karyam na karoti. So saha yavat vadati tavat karyam na karoti. So this is a question. Hey Mitra, Sureshaha Kidrishaha. What kind of person the Suresh is, or how is Suresha? So then the answer for that is saha dash vadati and dash karyam na karoti. So we have to fill with yavat and tavat to get the complete meaning. So saha yavat vadati tavat karyam na karoti. So how much he speaks, that much he does not do. Basically he speaks more and he does less. And janaha phalam kiyat prapnuvanti. So how much fruit or effect they get. So te karyam yavat kuruvanti phalam tavat prapnuvanti. So how much work they do, accordingly that much fruit or that much result they will get. So the same way we will read remaining also in our Q&A session.
Okay, saha yavat vadati tavat karyam na karoti. Number 2, janaha phalam kiyat prapnuvanti. Te karyam yavat kurvanti phalam tavat prapnuvanti. How much work they do, that much fruit they get.
Can you read the third and fourth? Yeah.
Third one. Kiyat dirgham, is it? Kiyat dirgham.
Yes.
Kiyat dirgham bhashanam asit tasya. Dirgham, how long was his speech? How long was his speech? Janaha na yavat janaha na उत्थितवन्तः तावत् भाषणम् आसीत् तस्य. As long as the people did not get up, that much his speech was lasting. Is it correct?
Yes, right. Last one.
एषः सेवकः कथमस्ति? How is this servant? यावत् वदामः तावदेव करोति. Whatever we say, only that much he does. ततोपि न किञ्चित् अधिकं. Not even little extra.
Not even little extra from there. Yeah.
From that. Not even किञ्चित् extra from that.
Astu. Now next one. Avadheyam yavat tavat ityetat yugalam avadhim suchayati. So these two together expresses the some distance or some avadhi is some gap or something in the middle. So example, dairghyam or kalam. So like the distance or the time or anything which you want to compare, you can actually use yavat tavat. So yavat ityasya prayogaha kritaha chet tavat ityapi prayoktavyam eva. So if you use yavat, you must use tavat also in the same sentence. So that's avadheyam. So let's move on. So this completes the yavat tavat, and the next one is chet and no chet in our book. So it is if and if not. So this is something similar to yedi and tarhi. So in yedi tarhi it also means if and then, but chet and no chet just means if. Okay, it doesn't say then. Of course we'll see the sentences and we'll see, but these are two different ways of expressing the same meaning. Either you can use yedi tarhi or you can use chet and no chet. So example, dhanam asti chet danam karomi. So if money is there, then I donate. So you can even use the same sentence with yedi and tarhi also, like yedi dhanam asti tarhi danam karomi. If there is money, then I donate. So both gives the same meaning. It's all up to us which one we want to use. The next one is vidyut asti chet deepaha jolati. So if there is electricity, then the light glows. The same examples whatever I used with yedi tarhi, the same I have used it here as well. And lekhani asti chet kripaya dadatu. If there is a pen, please give. Okay, so this is for chet, and the no chet is if not. So if the first one is if that is present or that scenario is there, then the next one happens. The no chet is the first one does not exist or does not happen, the condition does not satisfy, the next one happens. Example, viramaha asti chet agachatu, no chet aham agachami. So if there is a holiday, then you come, else I come. So viramaha asti chet agachatu, no chet aham agachami. If there is a holiday, you come, else I will come or I come. Okay, that's a sentence here. So it's something like no chet is something like else you can take. And next example, bhavan samaye agachati chet lokayanam labhyate, no chet na labhyate. So if you come on time, so you can get the lokayanam, else we don't get. Lokayanam is bus. And next one is etat vastram alpa mulyena dadati chet krenami, and no chet na. So if this cloth is given for lesser value, lesser cost, then I buy, else I don't buy. So no chet na, so else no. Okay, that's these are a few examples. Sometimes when you use no chet, the chet is not mandatory to use. You can even skip them. For example, viramaha asti chet asti no chet astiva. So you can just, sometimes it will make a question like this, viramaha astiva, so no chet aham agachami. So that's a way also, that's also another way we use without chet, with only no chet. So hope you got, like example, bhavan samaye agachativa, no chet na labhyate lokayanam. That way you can actually use. So basically it's chet is then or if, and no chet is if not or maybe else. So hope you get the meanings. And so now let's move to the exercise actually. So maybe if you have any questions we can discuss. Else try to frame some sentences with chet and no chet together in the same sentence.
तैलम् अस्ति चेत् दीपः ज्वलति, नो चेत् न ज्वलति.
Yeah, सम्यक्.
बस्यानं नास्ति चेत् अहं कार्यालयं न गच्छामि. Is it right?
Yeah, right. And
the bus is not there, you can't go to the office. वृष्टिः नो चेत् जनाः न, they don't live for that, like जनाः न जीवित for the what, how can I complete that? If there is no rain,
so you cannot say that Vishtihi no chet. That's not the right way. You have to say proper sentence, then the no chet. So Vishtihi na bhavati chet, then something, and no chet something else.
Then the people won't live. I want to complete it like this.
Yeah, you complete it.
No, that na jeevat for living. I don't know how to complete.
Okay, you can practice and come back again. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. This is exercise for you, not for me actually. Yeah. So, if you come with a sentence, I can correct. Yeah.
हरि ओम्.
हरि ओम्.
मधुरम् अस्ति चेत् बालकः भोजनं करोति, नो चेत् न करोति.
सम्यक्.
And छात्रः सम्यक् पठति चेत् माता तुष्यति, नो चेत् क्रुध्यति और तर्जयति, नो चेत् तर्जयति.
उत्तमम्.
हरि ओम नमो नमः. फर्स्ट वन चेत् ओनली. नाट्य कार्यक्रमम् अस्ति, सारी नाट्य कार्यक्रमम् अस्ति चेत् अहम् आगच्छामि. सेकेंड वन
नाट्य कार्यक्रमः अस्ति चेत्,
सारी कार्यक्रमः अस्ति अहम् आगच्छामि. सेकेंड सेंटेंस नो चेत् भवान् मम गृहम् आगच्छति चेत् मधुरं नयति, नो चेत् अहम् आगच्छामि.
What is the meaning?
Is it correct? When you come to my house, bring the sweet, otherwise, or I will come. If you are not bringing, I will come like that. I am coming. I am coming. Bhavan mama graham agacchati chet madhuram nayati. No chet aham agacchami.
So the actual meaning you said was, if you come to my home, you carry the sweet from here. That's the meaning you get.
Yes. How to say? Is it correct?
So nayati is carrying and going, and anayati is bringing.
Oh, anayati. Okay. Anayati. Okay. No chet aham.
It's like madhura. You are saying giving order, or you are just saying you will bring.
Suppose it is the order anayatu, right?
Yeah, it's anayatu. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, order also I can take it anayatu, no chet aham agacchami.
Yeah.
धन्यवाद.
आसन्दिकाः सन्ति चेत् जनाः उपविशन्ति, नो चेत् नो चेत् न उपविशन्ति.
Yeah, I'll say here asandikaah santi chet. It's not singular, it's yeah.
If seats are there,
available, yeah.
Otherwise, if not there, then they will not.
Samek.
They don't sit.
हरि ओम महोदय.
हरि ओम.
एकादशी भवति चेत् उपवासं करोमि, नो चेत् न.
सम्यक्.
शिशवः अम्बा समीपम् अस्ति चेत् हसति, नो चेत् न.
It's like अम्बायाः समीपं. So कः अम्बायाः समीपं?
सः अम्बायाः. ओके. शिशवः सः अम्बायाः समीपमस्ति चेत् हसति नो चेत् न
No chet?
न
No, okay.
Hari Om Mahodaya, if I want to say where there is a will, there is a way, can I say Manaha Asti Chet, Margaha Asti, no Chet, Nasti. Can I say that?
आम् वक्तुं शक्यते.
Okay, धन्यवादः.
अस्तु.
हरि ओम् महोदय. दुग्धं मधुरम् अस्ति चेत् शिशुः पिबति, नो चेत् न पिबति.
सम्यक्.
देन् मम मित्रम् आगमिष्यति चेत् आवां चलनचित्रं गच्छावः, नो चेत् अहं गृहपाठमेव करिष्यामि.
सम्यक्, उत्तमम्.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
Okay, I think with that we'll move to the next one. So next one is, of course, we'll have some forum exercise on the same topic. Using chet and no chet, we need to write 5 sentences. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching this video online. And if you have any queries or if you want to interact with the teachers or students, please log into forum.Sanskrit.Today. And you can also join our Telegram group, and you can find the Telegram group link in the course page, and subscribe to this channel to watch more videos like this. And share this video with your friends and interested people or group, and make use of the comment section if you have any feedback or suggestions about this session or the series. And finally, click on the like button of this video if you like this. Thank you all for watching this video online. Let us meet in the next session. Dhanyawadaha.